Create automatic links with autolinkers. In this example, we try by adding the WordPress keyword associated with a specific link. Now start the automatic magic. After creating the autolink, you will find it here to analyze the statistics and manage it. Now see how autolinkers recorded the link in all posts containing the WordPress keyword. When a link generated by autolinkers is clicked, statistics are tracked, which you can check in real time. This is very useful for understanding which links are working best in your strategies. Now I'll show you another example where I create an autolink with the Amazon keyword. Look carefully. This could be very useful if you do affiliate marketing with Amazon products. Look carefully. The Amazon text is not yet present in the example post, so I will add it. What happened now? As you can see, the link has not been added because you entered the keyword after creating the autolink, and therefore it obviously doesn't work. In these cases, simply delete the autolink and create it again, and then it will apply to all new and old posts. Think how useful it is for your affiliate links to apply them in all posts with just one click. It's all based on the keyword you add. Now the autolink is created after the keyword already exists in at least one post and is therefore automatically applied to that post. But if there were even 1,000 posts with the keyword Amazon, it would apply to everyone. You can easily delete autolinks with one click. In the Tools section, you can easily generate useful reports in CSV and PDF format. After a few seconds for generation, click to download the file and view it from your device. In this case, I generated a PDF file with autolink data and statistical data, which can be very useful for analysis. In the Autolinkers dashboard, you can find further statistics updated in real time. Use tools like Clear Statistics to delete all statistics from the database. Another useful feature is the real-time search for your autolinks. For example, when you have a lot of them. Now, I'll show you how it works. In the example, there are only 2 autolinks. If I write in the website search field, the other results will be removed, and only those that have the searched word will be left, and so for any term. How to purchase Autolinkers WordPress plugin. Go to the link in the description, autolinkers.com, then choose the version you prefer. Annual subscription with license for 3 websites, or lifetime subscription with license for up to 20 websites. Click on the Buy Now button and proceed to order in the checkout. You will be able to instantly download the plugin and activate it with your license.